Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me on today's video. It's Monday morning, having a little coffee with you. I figured I'd do a little Monday morning mindset with you. And today what I want to talk about is whether you think you can or think you can't, you're right. I think that was attributed to Henry Ford well before I was born, but it's something that I've shared with my clients for probably the past 25 years because it all goes into your belief system. I mean, think about it. You can wish to have a better business. You can wish to make that next sale. You can wish to get more customers in the door. But if you don't really believe that you can actually do it, what are your chances you're actually going to be able to get those customers, that next sale, or make more money, or have a better business? If your belief system isn't there, what are the chances you're actually going to take the actions required in order to get what it is that you're looking for, right? So think about it. If you are, let's say, wanting to lose weight, so summer's coming, so you want to get that beach bod, and you want to drop, let's say, 20, 30 pounds. If you don't actually believe that you can do it by the beginning of summer, what are your chances? How much effort are you actually going to put into trying to lose that weight? What sacrifices are you willing to put forth in order to have that beach body that you don't believe you're actually ever going to get? So think about that. So the next time you start putting together a goal, you start putting together your wish list, think about it. Do you really believe that you can get it? And if you don't believe you're going to get it, don't bother. Okay, you have to work on your belief system. You got to put it all up here first and really live it. Dream about it. Go to sleep, close your eyes, and start dreaming about the success that you're really going to have and get yourself to actually believe it. And then you'll actually do what's necessary to have what it is you're looking for. I hope this helps. I'll see you tomorrow.